OnePlus is gradually revealing the key features of the OnePlus 15 in anticipation of its October 27 launch in China. Ahead of this official release, a recent leak has unveiled the global market price for the OnePlus 15. Over the past few weeks, multiple reports have indicated that the OnePlus 15 will be priced slightly lower than its predecessor. This pricing detail for the UK market has now been disclosed through a leak. Earlier reports had estimated the OnePlus 15 to launch at approximately 3,999 yuan, roughly $560 or 49,126 in Indian rupees, positioning it around $570 or around 6,000 rupees more affordably than the OnePlus 13. The OnePlus 15, featuring 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, is reportedly set to launch in the UK for £949. In comparison, the OnePlus 13 with the identical storage configuration retailed for £999, suggesting an approximate $67 difference. Unfortunately, the leak did not provide pricing information for the entry-level 256GB model. Nevertheless, this modest price reduction is expected to enhance its appeal in markets outside of China. OnePlus's strategy to make its flagship devices more accessible and to emphasize gaming appears to be influenced by the success of the iQOO 15 in China. The device will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5.